Hi, I am Juliet Hull and I'm currently the interim CEO for TruScreen Medical.
My name is Mirela Connelly. I am a senior product support engineer at TruScreen, working on a TruScreen device that is an innovative screening device for cervical cancer.
So I've been really fortunate to be involved in the medical healthcare industry. They've always been a big supporter of women and women at all levels across the business. So I've always felt very supported in my career across all the companies that I have worked for. So that's been very fortunate. What I have seen change over specifically the last 5 years is there are so many more women who are now in managing director and CEO roles within the healthcare sector. And that's great to see and really important, as I think it demonstrates to other companies how it can be done and how it can be done well and bring success to the company.
I held a number of engineering project management position roles in my life. When I started my career, I was one of the very few females in this space. Most of the time, our clients, our customers, they're expecting to see a man. When they heard this, I was an engineer, they're very surprised. As much as I could during my career, I tried to influence young women to enter the engineering, the science space. And during the last 2 decades, I'm pleased to see more and more women entering the STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, and math space. And not just entering the space, but leading innovation in the space. Happy to see some of them are really most brilliant scientists and inventors that I ever met.
I always say that the most important thing on any team or any board is diversity of thought. And diversity of thought is really important because the good companies, the successful companies are the ones that have that diversity of thought. That's where the creation happens, that's where the magic happens. And a really good place to start to create that is gender. So if you can actually have a team that has got that really good balance, that's when you get great ideas in a company.
I'm a firm believer that we gain immeasurable benefits through diversity in the workplace. In STEM, we are solving incredible complex problems, and a diversity of experience and background is crucial for creating problem solving. In particular, gender diversity is important. Cervical cancer affects women, and that means 50% of the population of this world. So it is super important. Women and girls are helping to solve these global problems.
So TruScreen is obviously a women's healthcare product, and so I've been very privileged to be involved with the company. It's really exciting to be able to be part of trying to change the world. So cervical cancer is one of the most preventable cancers in the world, and unfortunately there are so many women around the world that don't get access to screening, and screening is the way that we can prevent it. So at TruScreen, being able to be involved in many countries and many regions to help women get access to that screening and improve their future in their life is really exciting.
I have joined TruScreen a year ago after working for reputable medical device and pharmaceutical companies. I was drawn to TruScreen mission of eliminating cancer, cervical cancer, and providing a low-cost cervical cancer screening to low and mid-income countries. This is 100% in line with my professional and my personal goals.